is I don't think so. Three people can go live, Harsh. Harsh, I will be doing
Uh,
another session with you, helping others on building how to build a body
uh,
and how to grow yourself. So that
yeah.
let be prepared for this one, and
Hmm.
we'll surely go live. And yeah, there are many huge fan following for Harsh. So let us see how this goes.
Yeah,
Plus, you
seriously,
also,
like,
Sachin, you also have
yeah,
that big fan following. So not going out of the topic. I just
yeah.
wanted to add some value. I just wanted to tell you that don't lose any hope. Have that confidence. Preparation. Prepare every day. Wait for the right opportunity. It might take time. Let it take time. But preparation plus taking that initiative, reaching out each and every person on LinkedIn and asking them for job is what you will get the opportunity. And
Yeah.
I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best, Sachin.
Hey,
And,
thank you
and
so much.
be prepared, get that all the knowledge which you really want in terms of all the questions which interviewer will ask, search it. We have
Yeah.
Google. Google is free. Ask Google anything, get that answer, prepare for it, and attend interviews, crack them, and give me a good news of you getting a job very soon. I will be literally waiting for this
With
one.
a high package also, with high package also. Like I feel
Yeah, yeah,
package is
yeah.
also important. Money
Thanks,
is
Harsh.
also important for you. Like,
Package, yeah, yeah. So coming to the package, Sachin, I feel that first of all,
uh,
you need to show how much knowledge you have. What was that conversation you did? What was your,
sorry, sorry to interrupt you. Like,
yeah, yeah.
Vinayak, yeah, sure. I will introduce you in next video. Right now, we are having some discussion with Vikram. So,
Yeah, hi
okay.
Vinayak.
I
Yeah,
hope you
yeah. So
understand.
yeah. So, in terms of asking that salary package, I feel that first to share the knowledge, first to tell them the
Yeah.
value, and put across this. If any HR is asking you like what package you're looking, I feel that don't answer them any number. Just ask them what is the range you are giving. Ask them the
Oh.
range, and in the range, see where you fit. And if it happens that no, you have the interview which happened went long, you spoke a lot, you told each and everything, so you can also demand higher than what is the range of uh, mention. So uh,
Uh,
ask the range, post that basis on your interview, then you can see whether we need to go with that range or you can ask higher package also. So higher package will come with the right time, with that right knowledge. And please wait, Sachin, you will surely get a job for this one. I'm there with you, uh, Harsh also. So I feel you both should get first, then later we will see where
and we will
others
do
were.
party. Like,
Yeah, we'll do party. Yeah, yeah, of course, man. I will not leave.
hey, I have one personal question for you. How many interview cracked and how many times you are rejected? Well, this is my personal question for you. Like,
Yeah, and thanks for that question. And
so
I think
it's
this,
a
yeah, yeah,
yeah.
this will go long now. So
No, 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 no. I don't want like much bigger explanation. I just need like how many interview you face in your life and how many interview you crack and
mm,
how many times you are rejected from a company and what's your thought after rejected like from a company, like what's your thought, because it's happened sometimes we are rejected because of some issues, not
yeah,
from your side,
correct.
from
But
interview
from
side also, because he want perfect answer from you and you are not able to give a perfect answer because your thoughts is different and interviewer thoughts is different, I think so.
correct. So I would like to tell you this: 40 to 50 interviews I had given to
Oh,
get job in Bangalore. So like I was in Mysore first. See, first I
okay.
completed my engineering, computer science, software engineer, but I didn't got any job in my core field. I went to BPO in Mysore. Okay,
Oh,
and while doing the job, we had 6 days of working, 1 day off.
so
I
BPO, which BPO, like it's
it,
a
it,
supplier support, customer support,
it
and
was a customer
what it
support.
is like?
Yeah, it was a customer support for Amazon. So
Amazon.
Amazon
Oh,
was a client, and we were giving that customer support from them. So like we were doing that calls. like we were attending the calls and giving them the solution. So that was our business. So I literally took a call. I was taking calls like daily 50 to 60 calls. It was going high also. So I was
Yeah.
literally very frustrated. I didn't wanted to work in the same place. So every Sunday, like not Sunday, every weekend, it happened that our week off was on weekdays. So like Monday or Tuesday. So I was working for 6 days, and on the week off, I used to travel to Bangalore, attend the interview, give the interview, and again go back. So it happened around 50 to 60, not 60, but yeah, for 40 to 50 times. I have traveled Bangalore. I gave that interview, and I was rejected. And each and every time I rejected, so it is like it 3 hours it takes from going to Mysore from Bangalore, and that 3 hours, I will tell you, Sachin, they were hardest
Yeah,
three
I
hours
understand. I understand.
hardest 3 hours for 50 times, 50 interviews. Then it happened that, so every interview I was preparing myself. I was thinking that what went wrong, why I'm being rejected, why I'm being told that we will connect you later, Vikram. So I worked on them. I worked on what went wrong. And then one fine day, I was, I went to Flipkart and I gave interview. And then luckily I got selected there, and yeah, journey started from there. And yes, now I'm still in Bangalore. So yeah, that was
And
that
with
was really
higher
very short.
package also, like you have a big package, I feel. I'm not.
Yeah, don't reveal.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I understand.
Thank you so much, man.
So,
Thank you so much. Yeah,
yeah,
it's not
no,
about
sorry,
it.
sorry.
Yeah, yeah,
Why I'm asking this question from you, because it motivates those people who is rejected from less companies and all, who
yes,
laid off from the company, who lost their job. That's the reason I ask you
yeah,
this
yeah. This
question.
will really
So
boost
it
them. So
motivate.
50
Yeah.
times, 60 times also, if it happens, please go. You will get the nice company, you will get the dream company, or you will get the good package. Because I never thought that I will be getting job in Flipkart. I never had dream also. But yeah, I got a job over
But
there, and it
but
all my journey changed. And
uh,
literally very happy to be a part of e-commerce. And e-commerce is the one thing which is not gonna die for next 40, 50 years. So yeah, you can really make a big in
and
this field. Yeah,
please
go ahead.
reveal it also, like you're working with Amazon right now.
Uh, yeah.
Yeah.
So like recently, I got
Yeah.
a opportunity, because it happened that for 2 months I was not working. So
Yeah.
yeah, I have my brother, my sister, where yes, money is really very important. So
Yeah.
I just gave interview, and yeah, I have cracked that one. So let us see where this goes. And I'm really very happy, because in the crisis I got job, and money, we all need money. So I was looking for that only. So yeah, let us see. I also want you to get in Amazon,
The same organization. Yeah, I
same
feel
organization.
like because
Let us grow together. Let us make it big. And yeah, if anything is there, let me know, Sachin. Like we
yeah,
can
sure, sure, Vikram. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You like
welcome
suggested
my.
me a lot, and today you give me like you motivate me, or you boost me. I feel I have some kind of fear to live with you. I feel.
Awesome, awesome. Like my pleasure. Keep growing,
Yeah.
keep doing something.
Yeah.
Don't stop. Only one life. Make it big. Okay. And I'm there to help you. Reach out to me anytime. So see you
Yeah, sure,
soon.
Vikram. Sure,
See
sure.
you soon. And waiting. I'm my ears are literally waiting to listen from Sachin and Harsh that Vikram, job mil gayi mujhe. So literally waiting for that call. Please get that done for you. Do anything, do whatever you want, but get that job in next 10 days, and let us see how can we go ahead. Okay. So see you,
Sure,
man.
sure, sure.
See you. It was nice talking to
Thank you
you.
so much. Thank you,
Stay
thank you, thank you
strong.
so
Stay
much.
strong.
Thank
Love
you,
you.
motivational speaker. You motivate
Hey,
me. I love you. Yeah. Good night.
thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
Thank you.
much.
Love you back. Bye bye. Stay strong.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.